get it yourself. Can you feed yourself? Good job. Good job. Look, you have a new tooth, don't you? Can you show us? Show us your tooth. There it is. Can you feed yourself a Cheeto? Look. Feed yourself a little baby Cheeto. Does it feel good on your tooth? Yeah. Can't believe you're eating big boy foods now. Good job. Can you do it yourself? Can you feed yourself? On your nose. Good job. Yeah, it's all over the place. Messy. Is that good? Yeah, you like it? Is that yummy? You're the happiest little baby ever. Look at your little baby feet. Look at your little baby feet. They're so cute. What happens if I tickle your feet? What happens if I tickle your feet? Huh? You want another Cheeto? These aren't real Cheetos, by the way. Baby Gerber Cheetos. Can you give it to yourself? Can you give it to yourself? Use your hands. Use your hands. Like this. Look, open up your fingers. See? You pull it up to your mouth. There you go. Good job. Good job. Is that yummy? Is that good? Doing an excellent job of feeding yourself. Edward. Is that delicious? Can you say hi? Edward is feeding himself. He's 8 months old. June 8th, 2012. You're so cute. All right, finish your Cheeto. All right, say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Oh, look at those teeth.